Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create AutoCAD 3D rotation. So let's go start AutoCAD 3D rotation. So first of all, make this AutoCAD 3D body. When I get create extruded command here, then I want go to change the position easily, so I have go to change the position right now. When here selected from and go to extrude right now, this is the press pull command. When enter this and make here, then I will use for AutoCAD 3D rotation command. So first of all, when enter this AutoCAD rotate command, enter the AutoCAD rotate command and select the whole body. Then also enter, right click this origin point. First click this origin point, then second click the point also. Then second click which point I have go to decide the here, and then I will show you minus 30 degree. I go to the rotate, so when put down minus 30 degree this one, then also click this whole diagram and click again. I show you the body here, then also click the line, then also I want get minus 90 degree. So like that, rotate in 90 degree. Another one, I have go to create the other rectangle, other diagram. When I make cylinder here, use from cylinder right now, then I go to create in cylinder. Okay, then also I will go to rotate command. So when enter the rotate command and select this whole body, then right click, this one is here, then click the body here, then also go to point. When I make the revolve, this body is going to be rotate in particular axis. So when I will give the degree here 45 degree when I get rotate. Same thing, I have make this any object right now. Look at this and go to press pull command and also make enter the extrude here. Okay, then apply the rotate command also. When enter this rotate command, also enter the point and go to here, select and also the point and make the 45 degree, then also provide 45 degree. So this is very easy for rotation in AutoCAD 3D model and 3D body. They are generally used for rotation in particular angle. So today has completed the session.